Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 10. It is currently 7:22 in the evening and I'm just starting this vlog. This morning I woke up at, I don't know, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning and I was sick until, you know, I did not feel good most of the day. I think I had some sort of stomach bug or something like that, so I really did not want to pick up the camera all day. I did work this afternoon. I didn't work this morning because I literally felt so horrible. Anyway, I pulled myself together and I worked for the afternoon, and then after that I just kind of like relaxed and hung out. I made another juice. This time it was an orange carrot ginger juice and it was bomb. It was so good. Like, I would say like 10 out of 10. The green juice is like 6 out of 10. This was like really good, this orange juice, which I'll insert footage of after of me making it and stuff like that. And then I made dinner. I had some of the juice. I gave some of the juice away to my family. And then after that, my parents had a holiday party, so I drove them down there. And then after I got home, I came right downstairs. The dog is currently upstairs in his kennel and he has no idea anybody's home. I like was so quiet and sneaky. Like, I didn't even go grab my iPad. I just came right down here so I could get up Vlogmas Day 9 because I edited it all last night, thank goodness, or I would have had to miss a day of Vlogmas. Thank goodness I uploaded it, or had it all pretty much edited. I just had to add music and then export it, and right now it is 20% uploaded and I still have to make the thumbnail. I did watch the Josh Duggar trial that was going on and he is guilty, thank goodness. I watched Counting On and 19 Kids and Counting like literally like my whole life, and I've been watching this trial non-stop and it's just so, number one, it's interesting, like all the things that have happened, but number two, you just feel such sadness for like all of the kids and like all the different things that have gone on in that trial, and like you just have so much compassion for, you know, everybody involved except for Josh. Thank goodness he has been taken into custody and he cannot hurt anybody else for a very long time. After this, after I upload this vid, I am going to wrap some presents. I have some presents over here on my bed that I want to wrap for people and get them underneath the tree, just so nobody peeks at their gifts. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on. Luckily, I'm feeling so much better this morning. I literally felt horrible. And it's like not COVID or anything, it's just like the flu. I did clean my room and my office as well after work, so I did get a lot of stuff done today. Considering I'm not feeling 100%, I'm definitely on my A game. So yeah, so I'm just gonna continue to upload this and edit it. I should probably get back to it so I can get it up before 8 o'clock tonight. I just wanted to thank everybody for watching my videos, number one. Number two, subscribing to my channel. I just looked and I hit 180 subscribers. So I'm so happy. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe down below. It is free, it is easy, and then you can just like see all my videos easier than if you're not subscribed. But yeah, I hope, I'm really appreciative and grateful and thankful for everybody who subscribes to my channel. I'm so close to 200 subscribers, so I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me and I'm putting so much effort into my videos. guys, so I am going to make my second juice in my juicer, which is an orange carrot smoothie, or not smoothie, juice. So I have 3 carrots peeled and chopped and washed. I have an orange all like took off the rind and I chopped that up too. I have a small little thumb of ginger. I have 1 green apple. So I'm gonna see how much this makes. So I have everything set up here. Okay, now that was a productive 20 minutes. So my video is now up and live. My juicer unboxing, Ninja juicer unboxing. I have wrapped lots of presents. I wrapped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm gonna go put these underneath the tree and just do a little cleanup. Probably the worst spot to wrap a present is on a bed. I don't really know why I did that, but I'm going to go put them underneath the tree. Hey guys, Editing Lydia popping on to say thank you so much for watching today's video. I didn't get a chance to end the video last night. So I'm here editing and just wanted to put a little end on it, but thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.